going to be taking a look at new Barbie fashion packs. I found these two for Despicable Me, I found this one for Super Mario, and I found all of these for DC superheroes, including Supergirl, Batgirl, Harley Quinn, and Wonder Woman. And I even found a little something for Ken. So let's get these fashions out of the box, and if you stay tuned till the end of this video, I will be announcing my August Instagram giveaway prize. So here's our lineup of all the fashion packs now that they're unboxed. Let's start with the Minions outfits. So here we have this first wave Made to Move, modeling what to me looks like a sleep shirt, but it came with this black handbag and this white necklace, and it velcros in the back. Next we have a 2018 Made to Move, modeling this little banana themed number. The skirt would definitely fit a curvy Barbie, but it's cute on her too. The skirt and the top velcro in the back, and the accessories are this yellow watch and these sunglasses. Next up is Ken, modeling this little fashion pack, which came with these boots. It's jean shorts that velcro in the back and this jacket. You should note that the shirt did not come with the fashion pack. This is just a shirt I already had. The fashion pack didn't actually come with a shirt at all, and also the jacket is only 3/4 sleeves. The shorts definitely would fit a slim or original Ken body type, but they definitely won't fit a broad Ken. Now let's take a look at my curvy Made to Move Barbie, modeling this Super Mario fashion pack. There's a very cute blue skirt. It's an elastic waistband with this red Super Mario top. The accessories include this cute gold necklace that I really like, and this gold bracelet. Now let's get into the DC superhero fashion pack, starting with this Girl Power t-shirt fashion pack, modeled by this petite Barbie. I put it on a petite Barbie because this skirt is just way too short for my taste on the original, certainly the tall and definitely the curvy Barbies. The skirt fit all of them, it's just so short. The waist is so high. It's even a little high for this petite Barbie, but it fits her a little better. Honestly, if you took the suspenders off, it would fit fine on any Barbie size, but those suspenders keep that waist really high and in turn keep the skirt hem very high. But the top is adorable. It came with this red handbag and these purple sunglasses. Now we have the Supergirl themed fashion pack. It came with this little blue briefcase. She's wearing a red pleated skirt. The pleats are only in the front. It's an elastic waistband, but the print on the top is on both sides. The top velcros in the back and has this little white faux collar. The other accessory were these black Clark Kent-esque glasses. Now here's Batgirl. She comes with the cat ear headband, which we've seen in other fashion packs, but I guess in this case they're supposed to be bat ears. I like her cute little Batgirl top, however, it does not velcro in the back, so it can be tough to get on a curvy Barbie or a Barbie that isn't made to move articulated. Her black skirt has a bat signal print, and she came with this purple handbag. Next we have Harley Quinn, modeled by this 2018 Made to Move doll. The outfit came with these red and black rimmed sunglasses, this sleeveless top, and this Harley Quinn print skirt. The print is on both sides. The skirt is elastic waistband. The top has a Velcro closure in the back. And the outfit also came with this awesome little silver handbag. And finally, we have the Wonder Woman fashion pack. I love the purse. It has a yellow lightning bolt on it. It also came with this star molded armband that's silver. The outfit itself is 2 pieces. It's this gold and white jacket with Wonder Woman on it. Her dress is sleeveless and has this BAM print. The print is on both sides. If you're on Instagram and you happen to follow me, you'll have an opportunity to enter my August Instagram giveaway. The prize is these 2 DC superhero fashion packs. You can look at the description for a link to my Instagram profile, as well as a link to the giveaway rules. But to enter, you do have to be on Instagram.